Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and we're doing another banana tasting today, and we are going to be testing the Kandrian banana. Kandrian is a pretty large banana plant. This is first or second time we've had. First time we've had fruit on these. As you can see, I've got the bunch over here. It had a pretty good fruiting on it. It's a second largest of the plants that we have after Saba, or third maybe.
Maybe the third, yeah.
Anyway, it's a pretty big plant, pretty tall. And as you can see, it's got a very triangular fruit, and we haven't tried it yet, so we're going to.
I actually did try this. We both did at Don's place, Going Bananas.
Okay. We haven't, yeah.
And it's not one of my favorites, or at least the one I had there wasn't. So we'll see how this compares. And it ripened during the winter, and sometimes they're not as good then.
No. It's got a good texture. It's a medium density, medium between fluffy and chewy. I think Celeste kind of prefers the fluffy ones. I kind of prefer almost plantain chewiness to them. This is kind of somewhere in the middle. It's got a good flavor. It's obviously, you know, the baseline for bananas is the Cavendish or the grocery store banana. It's denser than that, a little bit sweeter, with a little bit of that subacid, just a little, not much, but just a little bit of that subacid apple-y type tartness to it.
That's got banana flavor.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, it's not.
It won't be on my favorites list.
It's a little in the bland side. It's
a little basic.
Yeah, a little basic there, but it's good. I mean, it's there. I would eat one. I would
like
still grow.
chewy.
Yeah.
It's weird.
I like them with some density.
They're little pockets that are almost like chewier pockets within the banana itself. I've had a couple of those.
I haven't noticed that.
And I like that part.
Yeah, I mean, overall, it's good. It's better to me than a grocery store banana, but you know, to me, that's kind of.
Courtney won't like it.
No. It's definitely, it's a little bit like an Orinoco.
I think so too. And I feel like the fruit looks very similar.
It looks
as
like
well,
that, yeah.
but it's a lot taller.
Yeah, it's similar to an Orinoco for me, but with that kind of the medium density and a pretty good flavor.
Yeah, I don't know if they'll get mushy when they're overripe like Orinoco does, so that'll be interesting to see.
These ripened super fast.
Well, they took a long time.
Well, it took a long time, but once they started turning, we like to pick them when the very first ones at the top, when one of them turns yellow, we'll go ahead and cut the whole thing. And they typically after that are going to ripen pretty quick anyway, but these were like, I think Celeste noticed like yesterday, we went out and were looking last weekend and none of them were yellow.
None.
And then like one was yellow, and then like today, I picked these today and they're like almost all yellow now, so definitely fast ripening. So we'll get to see quickly what they're like when they're overripe. I'm sure we're not going to eat all these before they start to overripe. So, but good. You know, middle of the road, good. We've had a couple. We just had our first
1,000
fingers today. I had my first one today, and we'll do another video on that soon. I only we picked it because the first one at the top was yellow, and we ate the first one at the top.
You did.
I ate the first one.
I got none.
Sorry. Well,
especially when
they're
you
only
said
this
how it
big.
tasted like my favorite thing in the world.
There's 999 left on there.
We'll see.
But they're little tiny ones, so there wasn't much. I know I get all kinds of hate mail about that I don't share fruit with my wife. It was one bite though. There was no. Anyway, we'll do another video.
There's lots of fruit I don't share with you.
We'll do. Yeah, I know. She a lot of times I'll come home and she'll say, "Oh, we had all these come right today." And I say, "Oh, where are they?" They're gone. I ate them all. Anyway, we'll do that video. That'll be coming up soon. Only the one was yellow, so by tomorrow we'll probably have some more.
Yeah.
But it was super, super sweet. We'll definitely do the video on that. But you know, since I ate that today, these don't seem that great. But they're good. And again, if you're looking for a larger plant that's going to be pretty productive, Kandrian's a good choice. I still wouldn't put it as good as Saba either, though.
Yeah, I would plant a Saba way before I'd plant that.
Saba's one of our favorites, and it's a very, very large plant, but it has smaller fruit than this, but produces a lot of them, and they're really good.
They're really
good. Anyway, that's all I got for the Kandrian. So stay tuned for our 1,000 finger ones, because I'm sure we're going to do that one pretty soon. But anyway, thanks for watching.
Bye.